What's up guys, I'm Brian. This is my first ever YouTube video, and in this very video I'm going to show you guys the exact essential apps that is needed, that is free and inexpensive, so there should be no excuse whatsoever that you guys should implement to your store to make your very first sale. Let's check it out. E-commerce and digital marketing is one of my specialties. Talking to the camera is not. So if there is anything that I'm doing wrong, please comment below and let me know, so in the next video I can improve and make better content for you guys. So without further ado, let's actually go to my screen right now to talk about the essential apps that is needed to make your very first sale.
Hey everyone, you guys are finally on my computer. You are right now you are at briankimofficial.com. It says you have 10 days left in your trial. If you look on the bottom, that is because I made the website 4 days ago. It is not a dropshipping store, but is my own personal brand, e-commerce, dropship, digital marketing. However, I am not going to make the website public yet. I kind of want to help people in my Facebook group first, make my YouTube channel, and just go from there. And once I kind of, build a little community around me, that's when I can actually make this site go public. I'm using briankimofficial.com to just give you guys an example of a Shopify store so I can download the apps. So the 5 go-to apps that I think you guys should implement to your store to get your very first sale are these 5. I'm actually going to go through these really quick but informative, because this is actually my 8th time recording. You can see down here it's 1:53 a.m. But I did drink some mocha Starbucks double shot energy, so I am pretty good right now. So Ali Reviews is the first one. I think a lot of people use this already, or they use Luke's. However, I think Ali Reviews is the best, better one, just because of how easy it is to use. You just click on it. You press get reviews, import reviews. Right, you press import reviews again, and boom, you put your URL of the AliExpress product. So basically the AliExpress product page. You get the URL, paste it here. You want to uncheck the import setting and select country. You want to select it all. You want to press that to deselect everything. You want to type in United. Click on United Kingdom, United States, and then Canada. Oh my God. And Australia. Boom. So you have 4 selected, and this is because these 4 countries are actually they actually speak a majority of English, so your reviews are going to look a lot cleaner, because what Ali Reviews does is it imports reviews from every other country, but they also translate it for you. But so if you look on your product reviews and you see a bunch of people, foreign people reviewing your site, but they are in English and the translation's a little bit off, it kind of looks suspicious, so I just tend to go with only these 4 countries. But that's for you to test. If you want to do all countries, it's fine. And another thing is, a lot of people download this, however they do not see their stars on their product page. That's a lot of I get a lot of questions with that. So you click on help right here, go down. How can I show rating star on the product page? You click on that, go down. You find this following code at line A, right? Copy. I press Control C. Go here. Online store. Come on. Actions. Edit code. It'll be a theme template. Alright, so product template liquid. So this is what you want to do. You'll go down here. Press anywhere. Control F. This brings up the find search. I think for Mac it's going to be that little weird symbol and then F. And then you want to press paste. So if you press paste, you'll see that, and you'll see on line 216, I don't know if it's the same line for you. However, in line 216, this is where my product title is. So you want to go back to your help page, copy the snippet B, right? Go back to your edit code, press right here, and underneath this H1, press enter, paste it, and then save. I did it. I told you guys I already did like 8 times, so I'm gonna delete that. Save, and that's what it should look like, right? So it's gonna have your highlighted thing, which is the product title. Press enter from the end, paste it, and then save it. So If you went step by step with this and did it with me, you will definitely get this your rating stars on your product page right underneath the title. So for the second app is the best currency converter, right? There's an elite version and a free version. I suggest you guys to use the elite membership because the elite plan actually is about $9 per month. The elite plan is going to convert currency automatically when another person from a different country comes to your website. And I think that's really essential to have, because if another person, let's say from a different country, like in Europe, comes to your USD based store, they're not going to know how to convert USD, and they're going to use their phone and do everything. They might contact you and ask you how much this is and stuff, or go on your Facebook ads and ask you. So you don't want to deal with that. So you want to automatically convert their currency so they're familiar with their the values. But to do that, you want to get the elite plan, and they're going to actually help you how to set it up on that page, and it's probably going to do something with your settings, and you're going to copy and paste what they give you, and then it'll automatically convert it. So the third and the fourth is kind of goes hand in hand. It's a build an attractive FAQs page, and then the fourth one is a simple contact us form. What I mean by they both go hand in hand is that they build trust to your website, right? So people are always trying to contact the not suppliers, but the people that they bought from, whether it's for shipping fees, whether it's when their product's gonna get to them, and just general questions like that. And having a contact us form kind of shows that shows the consumers that the people actually care for them, and since they know that they can reach you easily, they're gonna have more trust in your website and most likely buy from you. So keep that up there. And then the FAQs page, it stands for frequently asked questions, right, for the FAQ. So if it's frequently asked, you guys have to think about it. If it's frequently asked, people are going to think that it's a lot of people are asking the questions, right? This actually kind of gives you the credibility of your store. So, and also people want to know what kind of questions, if they can answer their questions here, and if you answer it, they're going to feel more you're going to feel more trusted, and boom, you get another sale like that. So wait, I'll actually go through this with you. Click on it, preview. This is what it is. Build a whole category, and then questions with the yellow bar, and then the answers or the topics, and then you press edit for the answers. Boom. So if you want a preview page, it's going to look like this. You can change your font, you can change your background colors, you can change your font colors and everything. So it's going to look like that. Click on it. Boom, 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 right? So let's go back to our apps. Now this last, Tidio Live Chat, is literally the best app that you can get. You guys really, really need to download this. It's actually an amazing app. So what it is it's basically a chatbot, right? And what this chatbot does is it collects their emails and it gives them a discount code. So what you can see is when you come here, let's go to your home page. So when you come to the home page, you're going to see a chatbot right here, and it's going to pop up. They already popped up for me earlier. So it's going to pop up asking, hey, do you want a discount code for 10% or 10% discount code since you are a returning customer, or a new customer, I mean. And you're going to say, oh, right here. Hi there, nice to see you. We have a 10% promo code for new customer. Would you like to get one now? And you say yes, sure, or no thanks. So there's going to be two buttons. I really wish I could show you guys, but you'll see what it is. It's really easy. I didn't really even make this up. This is their template, right? That's how good it is. So you're going to say yes, sure, or they're going to say yes, sure, or they're going to say no thanks. If they say no thanks, they're probably not going to buy from you anyway, so it's okay. So if they say yes, sure, they're going to say, cool, what's your email address then, right? Then the customer gives them their email. And then it's going to say, here's your code, enjoy shopping XYZ. Boom, there's your copy code. There's your code right there, XYZ. So basically, giving this code, this 10% code, just for them, they're going to feel a little more connected to your brand, and they're going to try to use this coupon code that they achieved by giving them your email. So if they actually do not buy from you using that XYZ code, which they might not, right? It's not always a 100% deal. You actually have their email, right? Now you're going to get so many emails using this, and after that you can retarget the crap out of them, right? Just get all their emails, put them in the email marketing, and just keep emailing them until they just report you to spam. But you'll get a sale or two like that. If you get like 1,000 emails, you're going to get a lot of sales like that. So Tidio, a must-have app, and right now that's actually the complete free and cheap apps that you guys should really need to implement to your store to get your very first sale, and I suggest you guys to do it right now, especially the Tidio live chat app. A lot of people actually do not know about it, and I think chatbot is going to be the next big thing. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I will actually see you guys in the camera, on camera right now.
Hey everybody, I just finished the screen record video thingy, and if you guys have any comments for me, just leave a comment below. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you have any more video ideas, leave a comment below. And please tell me what I'm doing wrong, or if you need to criticize me, just tell me, because I need to know to make better content for my next video. I'll take it all in as a constructive criticism. So yeah, no feelings will be hurt. However, feelings will be hurt if you do not comment, or if you do not hit the subscribe button. Just kidding. I was kidding. So that's kind of it that I'm talking. That's all, right? Yeah. Anyways, good night. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video, and thanks for watching. See you guys next time on Brian Kim Official.